In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone screen brightness issue. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is adjust display settings. Launch your settings app, navigate to the option accessibility. Under that, you're going to find the option display and text size. Click on that. Now scroll down and check if reduce white point is turned on. If it is, simply toggle it off and your screen brightness should return to normal. If that does not solve the issue, try second method. First, restarting your iPhone. This can fix temporary glitches caused by the update. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once your device restarts, check if the brightness issue is solved. If the problem still continues, you can try method 3, using a computer to update or restore your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to a PC, then enter recovery mode by pressing volume up, volume down, and holding the power button until the recovery screen appears. Open Finder or iTunes and you'll see an option to update or restore your device. Choose Update first to reinstall the system without deleting your data. Finally, if none of these methods work, you can use a third-party repair tool to fix deeper system issues without data loss. These tools can repair various iOS problems and restore your device to normal working condition, and that's it. These are some effective ways to fix the iPhone screen brightness issue after an update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.